That is our, we have started the revision of chapter 8. How many questions you all have completed till? 5.
5.
Yes. So first we will complete that revision only related to chapter number 8, and then we will move to the revision of chapter number 11, because 11 CET is tomorrow. CET of chapter number 11 is tomorrow. Am I clear? Tables and shares. Any doubt to any child? So I'm going to present my screen, start writing. Where is your notebook? No talking, please, in the class. No talking, offline students. Chapter number 8. Question number 1 is done. Which of the following is circle in shape? Online students done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. A simple closed curve is the length from center of the circle to its boundary is called
Radius.
diameter. Is what time the radius?
2.
You do from your place only. Go from at your place. What is the length of boundary of a circle called?
4. 4. Circumference.
The spelling of circumference is written here: CIRCUMFERENCE.
Circumference.
But you know the spelling of circumference or no?
Line joining two.
I will write on the board.
Ma'am, there is an assessment.
Online students, any problem to any child?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Answers for them on the board. CIRCUMFERENCE. Circumference. F. Line joining two points of a circle is called. Line joining two points of a circle.
Diameter.
Chord. CHORD.
Chord.
CHORD.
Radius.
Line joining two points of a circle called chord.
And when is the assessment? Ma'am, the F1 answer is
Wait a minute.
diameter. Chord or diameter it is. Yes.
Give me 1 minute. Now am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Audible.
When is the assessment? Ma'am, you are still audible. Ma'am, you are still audible.
Am I audible? Can you?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. Yes, ma'am, you are audible. Ma'am, at the F1
Line joining
or
F
diameter.
answer is chord. The G answer is the longest chord of the circle is called diameter.
Diameter.
DIAMETER. Diameter. If you want the spellings, I will write here in the Google form for the students, those who are doing online. TIAMETER and FCHORD. Mohammed, look from there on the board. Go at your place, Mohammed. H. Choose the correct relationship of the formula. D equals to 2 multiplied by R equals to 2 multiplied by D, or D equals to R. Which formula is correct?
Ma'am, D equals to 2 multiplied by R.
D equals to, because diameter equals to 2 multiplied by the radius. So the answer of H is, why you are looking there then? Because there the answers are. D equals to 2 multiplied by R. The longest chord of the circle is called. The longest chord of the circle is called.
Diameter. Diameter.
Till H, done everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it fast.
Ma'am, I have joined now, that's why. My
Do
electricity
fast.
was gone.
Okay. Let me take the attendance for a minute, then I will. Let me take the attendance. Tomorrow is the CET of chapter number 11. Assessment is on 20. Chapter 8, 9, 10.
Ma'am, when is assessment?
20. Monday.
Today is chapter number 11 test.
Tomorrow is chapter number 11 test.
Oh.
Chapter 11 test is tomorrow. And assessment is on Monday. Chapter 8, 9, 10. I will put in the classroom. No need to confuse.
Ma'am, what is that answer?
Which answer?
H.
H. Option number A. This one.
Ma'am,
Diameter equal to 2 multiplied by radius. I'm going to scroll it down up now.
I will take a screenshot.
Radius is half of. What is the answer of I? Radius is half of diameter.
Diameter.
Format. Where it is written? Formula it is. Formula when you are explaining something and doing with the correct, that this is the formula like we have done in the division. The formula of the dividend equals to divisor. So certain proofs you have in the mathematics, that is the formula. I answer is radius is half of diameter. Diameter. Radius is half of diameter. J. If the diameter of a circle is 28 centimeter, then its radius will be diameter is, if I say diameter is 10 centimeter, what will be the radius?
14.
Yes, half. You always divide the diameter by with the 2. Because when we find half of any number, we divide by 2. And radius is half of the diameter, will be 14.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So, yes, please.
Can you just show the 6th and 7th one?
This one,
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
be little fast. We need to do the revision. Chapter 11 also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
What is J's answer? J1.
Let everyone complete till here, then we will come on J.
Okay.
Let everyone complete till here. Online students, any problem? Can I scroll up?
No. Ma'am, can you scroll? Ma'am, can you scroll?
Okay. Grade 4B. I'm not asking.
Done. I want done.
Any confusion to any child till here?
No, ma'am. Yes. Everyone.
Answer of I is diameter. Radius is half of.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
If the diameter of a circle is 28 centimeter, then its radius will be 14 centimeter, not only 14. You need to write the proper correct unit also.
Done.
Done, everyone? Can I scroll now? If the radius of a circle is 6 centimeter, then what will be the diameter?
12, ma'am. 12.
Yes. The diameter will be 12 because 6 multiplied by 2. When we find the double of any number, we always multiply by 2. Because radius, diameter is the double of radius. So it will be 12 centimeter.
Ma'am, what is the answer of J1?
Dhwani is asking. Who is asking this? Who is asking the answer of J1?
Dhwan.
Dhwani, can you read Dhwani the J question for me?
Yeah. If the diameter of a circle is 28 centimeter, then its radius will be
So when diameter is given and if you need to find the radius, what you will do in this case?
we will find the half of 28.
What will be the half of 28?
14.
So yes, you have given me the answer. Got it? Got it, Dhwani?
Ma'am, 14.
Yes, 14 centimeter is the answer. Can I now I'm scrolling it down.
Ma'am, what was the answer of the?
Rehan, answer of which question?
Yeah, I was asking for the Q and I found it.
Yes. If the radius of a circle is 6 centimeter, I am reading also for you all. Listen, please. If the radius of a circle is 6 centimeter, then its diameter will be 12 centimeter. Are you writing here?
12 centimeter answer.
Okay. Find the, wait a minute. Can I scroll up to J? Find the chord in the given figure. No need to draw the figure. Just see how many chords are there in this figure.
MDEOC.
Is how many chords are there?
Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 2. 2, ma'am, 2. MDE and A.
Is O to C the chord?
Yes.
O to C is a chord? No. D to E and A to B, there are two chords.
Ma'am, there are 2 words.
In a chord, both the endpoints should be on the circle. So, if we say O to C, both the endpoints are not coming on the circle. So, O to C is not a chord.
It is A to B and D to E.
There is a problem, Kevan. Yeah, there are two chords, D to E and A B. D E A B. You will not say D to E. Say D E. It's a complete chord, so you will name D E A B. There are two chords.
Ma'am, we have to only write two and not D to E and A to B. We have to not write that now or only two.
There are only two. The naming should be not D to E. You said D E, not D to E. Got
We
it?
have to write D E
आप
then.
इसको ये मैं लिख रही हूँ यहाँ पे. Wait.
Only two.
You
We have to
will
write only two.
you will write D E. Only two means है ही two
Ma'am,
बच्चा इसके अंदर. ज्यादा
ma'am,
नहीं है
I'm
इसके
writing
अंदर.
K. Ma'am,
wait
I'm
a minute.
writing K.
Wait a minute. So you will give like this A D E, not D to E. ये नहीं लिखोगे आप. You write D E is the one chord and A B is the another chord.
Can you see my book like this?
I will not able to see because I have presented the screen. Once I finish this, then I will see.
I am for first, second, two. Then D E, then comma, then A B.
हाँ.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the I1, I mean L1, what question we have to write?
Find the chords and how many chords and name the chords. Which chords are there in this?
So we have to make the figure.
No,
Okay,
it
ma'am.
will
Thank
take
you.
time. Let them complete. L. After K, L only will come. How you go backwards alphabets? I'm scrolling now. How many diameters are there in this figure?
Ma'am, we have to draw this figure. What?
How many diameters are there?
Ma'am, we have to draw this
Check करो
figure.
5 कैसे. Ma'am, four diameters are there.
Ma'am, we have to draw this figure.
Draw a circle of 3.5 centimeter. This question you can write and you do after the class. Draw a circle of
Ma'am, show L, no?
M1. How many diameters are there in this?
Ma'am, L.
One diameter G to C, H to D, A to E, D to F. 4.
And there are total 4 diameters.
Ma'am, can you show the L1?
Ma'am, I have
L question.
not on the L1 also. I didn't know we have to draw it.
Ma'am, can you show question number L?
We have to not draw behind.
I will put in the classroom. N.
Ma'am,
Draw a circle of
question
radius
number
3.5 centimeter.
Ma'am, there are 4 diameters.
This question you will do after the class. Properly draw with the rounder cup.
Ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am.
Take the scale, measure 3.5 centimeter and draw. Do at home.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, show the L.
Maybe we have to draw the L1 also.
Ma'am, can you show question number L?
Hello, ma'am.
We have to not draw the circle.
Draw a circle of diameter 10 centimeter. If the diameter is given, how it is possible to draw a circle?
No, ma'am.
Can you find the radius? What will be the radius in this
Ma'am.
case? Online students,
Ma'am, show
what will
question
be the
number
radius
L.
in this case?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you
5
show the
5
M1?
centimeter will be the radius.
Your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, 5 will be the radius.
Ma'am, can you
Yes.
show
Because 10 is the diameter,
Ma'am,
so
can
5
you show
will be the
L?
radius.
Am I audible, Manya? Can you speak something?
Yes, ma'am, can you hear
Again,
me?
the voice is not coming. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, can you take out your pawns?
We had micro.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Can you show the M1?
We had microphone.
Ma'am, we have to write
Excuse
like
me, ma'am.
A to E.
Ma'am, we have to draw the circle of how much centimeter?
Yes, ma'am.
One child at a time will speak. Yes, please
Excuse
tell
me,
me. Manya, first Manya, then Vihan, then Dhwani. Yes, Dhwani, please speak. Manya, please speak.
Oh, ma'am, my question number
Dhwani,
N.
wait. And your camera is off. I will not answer you. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, in the 13th question, we have
In which
to,
one?
ma'am, M question.
She is saying M.
M question, you need to find the number of diameters.
Ma'am, I'm saying that in the answer we have to write like A to B means the
You
letter
can,
of the
you can.
diameter.
You can write.
Or we have to just write the number.
You can just write the answer that 4 diameters, or you can label the diameters that G2H is the 1 diameter or D2H. This way also. Up to
Ma'am,
you.
can you show the screen? Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
want
can you
to
show
see the question. Ma'am, I want to see the question of the M1. Ma'am, can you show the question of M1?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, am I audible?
No.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay.
No.
Ma'am, can you show the answer of the M means question of the M1?
It is there the question of the M1. Find how many diameters. Do little faster, my dear students. The whole period will go in this only now.
Ma'am, even clear my doubt.
Do one thing, everyone talk together. Moksh, Vihan, everyone talk together. Please complete this and then we will individually solve your problems.
Ma'am, please can you
O1 is draw a circle of diameter 10 centimeter. And if you know when the diameter is given, you need to first find the radius and then draw a circle. Because with the diameter to draw a circle is not possible. Done? Go back to your places now.
Hello, ma'am.
After M, there is a N, there is O.
M1.
O is there. Draw a circle of diameter 10 centimeter.
This is the M1 only.
Ma'am,
Done everyone. Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, can you show the question of
Tej Kumar,
M1?
please speak.
ma'am, we can draw the circle in the revision notebook.
What?
We can draw the circle in the revision
After the
notebook.
class.
Okay.
In the revision notebook only where you are writing the question. Am I clear? Moksh, you are on which question?
M1.
And do little fast. This is the M. Find how many? 4B. Hare. Here, Mohammed Momin. Moin.
Ma'am.
So I'm scrolling down now. Moksha, please do fast.
Ma'am, how much centimeters
last.
is the circle?
Is still O only.
Ma'am, how much centimeter is the circle?
What happened?
How much centimeter is the circle?
What is the given here in the diameter?
I am saying we have to draw the circle or not.
What is written here, Vihan? Just check the question.
Draw. Oh, yeah.
Your radius is 5. कैमरा बंद केम થઈ ગયો જલ્દી ચાલુ થઈ જા જલ્દી
आपने में इसमें 5 मिनट में इस पीरियड के बाद करते हैं. Okay, done everyone? Done everyone? Moksha done?
No, ma'am, I'm writing O.
Dhwani, you need to be little fast, bacha.
Ma'am, I have taken screenshot.
Draw a circle. Even after screenshot also you are very slow. Please do little fast. Now you open the new page, everyone. Open new page, those who are sitting here offline. Write today's date. Fast. Write chapter number 11. Revision only. The same notebook.
Ma'am, you told 8 and 9 and 10 chapter assignment, no?
What happened?
Ma'am,
Arnav,
you
what happened?
told 20 that 8, 9 and 10 chapter number assignment, no?
I will put it in the classroom. No need to confuse. Am I clear? Done, everyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so children, I just want to show you one worksheet which I am going to send you today is based on the revision of chapter 11. Why I am sending? Because you have your CET tomorrow of chapter 11.
Yes.
So this is the worksheet, revision worksheet, which you will do in the revision notebook. It's a
52 multiplied.
worksheet
Ma'am, we have to
based on-
multiply.
Please let me speak. Then ask for a query, Arnav. Mute yourself, please. This is the worksheet. You will solve this in your revision notebook. These are some multiplication sums and some division sums. Word problems you practice because we have already practiced lot of word problems, right? So whatever we have learned related with chapter will be asked in the tomorrow CET. Am I clear? I'm giving you the revision based on two concepts, multiplication and division. If it is written there that divide and check means you need to write the check formula and divide, see whether your answer is correct or not. Am I clear to the online students?
Yes, ma'am.
Now first Arnav, then Vihan Dobaria. Yes, Arnav.
Ma'am, you told to send this worksheet chapter number 11. We have to we
In
have
the
to
classroom.
write in revision notebook or maths notebook.
I told starting only. It's
Because
a
your
revision.
voice is tracking for
Revision notebook, bacha. Revision notebook.
Okay.
Any doubt, Vihan Dobaria?
We have to write the sentences. Oh, forgot. It is not the story block.
Okay, those who are completing this sheet, please complete. Let them complete. If yours is done, pack your bags. And if any question is left, please try to complete that question. Don't leave the work incomplete. I'm talking to the online and the offline students. If any of the question is left, Offline students, listen to me. I will put something in the classroom, activity room. Please check your notes. What I am putting. Am I clear? Please
Yes.
check your classroom compulsorily today. Activity classroom. Everyone completed the work? Online students, can I stop the presentation?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt to any child?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
So which chapter CET is tomorrow?
Chapter number 11.
11.
Tables and chapter number 11 tables and shares. CET is tomorrow. Mantra Shlot, what happened that you in between left the class?
Ma'am, internet connection was not there.
Your work is complete. What we have done in the
Yes.
class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rishik and Kavisha, you don't want to turn on your cameras? Yes, Mani, any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you told us to write that chapter number 11 tables and shares and the date. So, in the
Yeah, the
revision
worksheet which I am going to send today, no, that you will do in that page.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay? It's based on the revision of multiplication and division. Any doubt, Mantra?
Ma'am, what did you say? I missed it.